Hi Diane, this is Anne Kullberg here for your critique of your 3 pieces that you entered into CP Treasures. This was one of the pieces, and this one, oh, I should give you the title, The Fishing Lesson. And then we have this piece, The Fiddler, and this, which we are calling High Rise. And what a great title. And this is the piece that we actually accepted into CP Treasures. So congratulations, Diane. But we'll save that one for the end. I think we'll save that one too. Okay. So this one, The Fiddler, there's a lot going on that's really very, very nice. There's a couple of weaker spots. This section down here is beautiful. This whole section here, because you have such fantastic contrast, really great range of values. The eyelet dress, you know, I've done some eyelet before, and it's a lot of fun because it seems like it's going to be hard, but really you're just drawing holes. And this, you know, getting this dark enough back here, brilliant. These beautiful, this light area here, and then that cast shadow, beautiful. The fabric is so nice. You really do a good job of capturing the highlights and the, you know, the forward-facing folds of her dress, and then going dark enough in there, or actually close to dark enough inside to really give that skirt volume. So nicely done. This green back here is beautiful. Nice and dark. You know, this is not easy to do, this gradual lightening, and you've done that very, very well. And also the whole palette of the piece being very warm, which is really working with that sun. I mean, it looks like sunlight, sunshine on her is really, really nice. Where I think it gets weaker is the skin tones are very pale, extremely pale, and a little on the yellow side. So I think that, you know, you want to lean on, grab some of those oranges and those pinks. And even where you want shadow, this is a very light shadow, considering, you know, the stark contrast between skin and the background. And considering how light this is here, it doesn't make any sense that this shadow is so light. But you want to get in some of those pinks and oranges, and then orange browns. So things that are like, you know, terracotta, to bump up those shadows. And actually the same with the hair. Like, you do have light to dark, but the only spot that's really dark is right through here. And if her head is that tilted away from that strong light, then this is going to, some of this over here is just going to naturally be quite a bit darker. Like, I would definitely have some patches of almost black there, or even black. Because this contrast is so beautiful. So then it just this is all more mid-tones up here. You do have, of course, dark black here. But yeah, a little bit on that. And then same with the skin tones up here. I mean, this highlight here on her arm and shoulder and neck, so beautiful. It would have been even more beautiful if these skin tones had gone darker. If we could have a, you know, value viewer, a little business card with a hole punched in the middle, and we looked at the contrast in value between here and here, you would see that it's very, very light, very light contrast, not a dark, deep contrast. And I think that's missing, but a wonderful piece. This one, you know, it was really tough between this one and the mushrooms. I think they're mushrooms, fungi. I don't know about that stuff. But anyway, High Rise. It was tough between this one and High Rise. This is a beautifully done piece. Really, really nice. You're so good at fabric. you're wonderful at fabric. Textures, really. I mean, this hand is just fantastic. This puffy jacket, this sleeve is beautiful. But on this one, and your skin tones are awfully light, although on this one you have gone, with those warm tones, the pinks, the oranges, the orange browns, to get some more definition in his face and in his ear, whereas he's quite light. But I mean, kids actually generally tend to be quite a bit lighter. You've drawn this, I wish we could see it larger, but you have drawn this face so beautifully. It's just a perfect little face. Very, very nicely done. There's really nothing in this piece that we didn't love. It's just that we loved the other one because it was different. So we'll go to the winner, the one that we were going to be featuring in the book, High Rise. This is, let's see, 14 by 11, pretty big piece for this, and it's on Strathmore Bristol Smooth, which I haven't worked on. Smooth, it seems to me you wouldn't get a whole lot of layer options, but you've done a beautiful job of creating real depth in a couple of different ways. Depth in the trunk, we'll start with that. I mean, you have so many colors sort of intermixed. You've got greenish browns and orangish browns and yellowish browns, all throughout here, and then some very dark tones, this real dark here. Of course, you needed that dark in order to make this really glow. You were never going to get this looking light if this wasn't nice and dark, the tree bark. And you did a beautiful job of that. You did a beautiful job of the texture of the bark without in any way overworking it. I mean, mostly it's sort of soft line. Not a lot of shadows, but very, very nicely done. I'm talking about the bark, the tree. The mushrooms themselves, yeah, they're definitely mushrooms. I love these colors. Oh my gosh, your yellows, your oranges, your browns, your orange browns, and then the white. I mean, some places it really looks like you've left the white of the paper, which is a bold and brave move, but absolutely, takes a piece like this over the edge to mastery. This delicate drawing here is just absolutely fabulous. Like it all rings true. You don't see any lines that are inelegant or clumsy or too thick. I mean, it's just really nice. I love how you went dark enough here with these. This is so essential to make this look light. I like the composition. Whoever sees, this sort of vertical mushroom piece, there is, I mean, if you said, find something wrong with this, personally, I could not. I find it to be an absolutely marvelous piece, and we are very happy to feature it in CP Treasures, Volume 9. Congratulations again, Betty. All right, bye-bye.